Yeah. Good morning, Basic Fam.
What's up? Morning.
So today we're gonna head to Walmart for this guy for some wires. Nowhere for that guy. We was, but we not. We gotta go put some gauges and pods. We're gonna jerry rig them, make them basic style.
You can go Home Depot.
It's gonna be pretty legit, but we can keep it basic.
Everything we do is pretty legit.
Yeah.
This
But
guy,
it's just the basic way of doing it.
this guy is the mastermind, man. And this guy, we just doing some wirings and some subs, so easy day. We'll show you how you do it.
8 or 10. I'm not when I say see it. I was looking at home, I couldn't find it. I found my control wire that turns it on.
That's right. We'll get it. Hopefully it's here, and if not, Home Depot.
That sound placing, I'm okay with that.
Oh, and you're also getting, hopefully, string for your
But no, my shifter.
shift knob, katana. So we're here at Ben Franklin's. They didn't have the shit that he needed.
That's dirty as fuck.
I think he's like a quarter handicap.
Yeah, kind of.
Trying to find some shit to wrap Logan's katana. Oh, what is this?
Yeah, it's floral tape.
Flora tape.
It's kind of dark though.
So everywhere we go, there's round shoestrings. He's looking for a green one. But we're trying to find a flat one. Oh, Montana. Fucking yarn. Really, Logan? So I'm thinking this is the best bet.
From Ben's.
Can't focus that shit.
Crazy.
So for now, we got the. What is that called again?
I don't know.
Yarn. String.
Yeah.
Rope.
And he's got a hint of gold too, so we're gonna try and intertwine that with it, huh?
We'll try. Just gotta mess with it.
Gotta get some grub. Hey, yeah. Just finished lunch. Gonna go take a nap real quick. The fuck? We don't sleep, bro? What the hell? We don't ever sleep. Let's get to this fucking install. What is that? This is Logan's real skin color. Nah. Alright, boss man.
It's custom fit the whole windshield.
What are we doing today?
So I install the 2 or the 3 gauges for the car show.
What are the gauges of?
Water temp, battery voltage, and oil temp or oil pressure.
How you finna attack this?
Just gonna put sheet metal where the glove box used to be, and then we're gonna fit it in through there. I do have a what is that, oil sandwich plate for the oil pressure, so I can put that in from the oil filter. And the battery is just straight to the battery. The water temp is gonna be a kind of hard one.
So this is the amount of wire we're working with, alright? And then this guy is gonna jerry rig the rest of his HID wires into that thing. Let's see how that works.
That's how you do it.
Show us how, Joss. First things first, we're gonna pre-test fit that thing onto there, into there. So
Oh, bird just
all of
took a
this is
shit on my car.
gone.
Oh.
How you gonna see that guy? See, we can push this in a little.
No, that's all the way.
Fuck. I have to bend them then. Here's a question.
How much you get it for?
26.
What the hell are you carrying in that box, bro?
Me?
Yeah.
My shit. I'm gonna try to figure this out. So I just brought it here.
What's your modificationing right now?
Only fog lights.
To put these pods in,
Oh, get on AR. You like the AR?
wires through.
Yeah, get the AR over here.
Look at the angle he's setting it at, cuz.
Oh, stand on the left side.
Hardest part is finding a way for the wires to get through that plate. And his famous quote, what was that?
It's only easy.
I like the shotgun. Oh, get on level.
Alright, so this is eye view.
As long as you can see these two, the battery is not so important.
And of course we're gonna fix it up, but this is just a pre-fit.
You see that big building over there? You see that big building to the right, like southeast?
Can. So he's gonna try to wire the negatives, all the negatives together, and all the positives together for one main source to the
Working and playing.
from the power source. Hopefully that works. Like, how do you test it
You have
before?
strippers?
Do you have on you?
Actually, I
We'll
don't
leave
know.
the door
Yeah,
open
because
or
you
not?
rather strip that back a little farther.
Yeah, I know,
If,
I
not, if you
would.
have
Close the
pliers, I can do it like that. Just regular pliers.
Now let's watch the master splicer.
I only cut the
Me
wires.
too. I just like
Fuck
a
it.
scope though. I need a scope.
Here, Logan.
Stripping the wires back
For what, Logan?
so you get better connection.
Ah.
But we don't have strippers, so I gotta use dikes to
Oh,
cut them.
8 times. That's shit. Fuck yeah.
And you have to go real soft because you
Oh,
know,
I
like
get
cut
the
the wire.
load of ammo now, dog. Oh, I get a sniper.
Make sure you what, Logan?
Oh, hit
So
this
you
house.
pre-twist your wires to make sure they're together and nothing slips out.
Right there, 6 meters. Oh, I'm inside already.
For stronger
you
connection,
like
boy.
that?
You guys playing like Fortnite or some shit?
Survival.
Let's see. You gotta turn them
Press
on or
up
no?
to give power.
Turn the car on.
Work.
Oh, it's working. After you test it, you get to crumping.
Sideways.
Where are you running these wires through?
So I run the ground. I don't know if you can see it. Glove box bolt against the ground right here. Should be enough. The power, I'm thinking of running it through here, take off this center console, and run it back up to the fuse box.
See? Maybe. The lights is
Oh,
on.
this one's working now.
Hey.
Oh, let's see. Yeah, they're fucking working.
Hold
Gauges
on.
don't work, but can do that another day.
Yep.
While I was at it, I rewired the switch for the color changing lights so that I can mount it on the inside. So when I pull up to the car show, instead of me getting out, going to the switch, I can just hit it one time from right inside there.
Looks good, looks good. We're trying to figure out what's wrong with my fog lights. Connection from the fuse to the lights isn't good right now, so. So we have the Dr. Justin. Justin.
I don't know what's going on with your shit, Bowie. Bowie.
It's a fucking bloody mess underneath this thing, so I don't know how the hell. The doctor got one light working, that one, but we cannot figure out what is wrong with this one. Whew. What, like 8 hours in?
Fuck, man, it's all there.
I gotta go to work in like 4 hours, never slept yet. But I'm gonna go take a quick break, tackle that thing again maybe. Something is wrong with my windows, it won't go up.
Here it goes.
Oh, quick update.
Shits and giggles.
We got the fogs working finally. But again, the freaking windows aren't working. So probably pick up on that tomorrow. We gotta finish his connections if he doesn't do it by himself. Thanks to these two doctors.
Doctor!
The doctor got one fog working, but this one, oh, something's wrong with it.
So, left side don't work, right side does. Thinking there's another wiring issue on this side.
Micah suggests and Justin suggested it earlier. We pull out the fuse box from inside the cab, figure out where that wire is going, what color it is, and then locate it in this fuse box. See what's up with the connection. Jerry rig it.
You get used to it.
Yep. So, as usual with cars and modifications, you always find fucking problems, but you always gotta find yourself a solid ass team that'll help back you up. And
Something we thought would be done in an hour, it took 8 hours.
yeah, but it got done ish. And then if anything, see you guys back tomorrow. Shoot. It's official, guys. Team founder is putting on his letters. His banner is done, basically.
Yeah. Oh my God, Ronnie.